would like to talk about the scorecard. So maybe first of all, for new participants, I would like to explain you what is the scorecard tool. And the scorecard tool is a coded management tool that helps countries, as you saw in the video, to track performance of key indicators. Usually those are priority indicators chosen by country, and those are indicators of the strategic plan, and then as well to conduct bottlenecks analysis and identify action. So what is very important is the scorecard tool is a country-owned, managed by countries, and using existing data and usually routine data from the routine health information system like the DHS2 that is being used by many countries. And then the scorecard tool is also used for action, accountability, and advocacy, of course, at national and subnational level. So next. So since the creation of ALMA, we have assisted over 40 countries to roll out the scorecards. And so far, you will see in blue 40 countries that have already developed their malaria scorecards. We have also supported 29 reproductive health, maternal, neonatal, child and adolescent health scorecards. We have also supported 6 countries with the neglected tropical disease, as well as 4 for community scorecards and 2 nutrition scorecards. Next. So what is important is the ALMA Scorecard Hub is the best place to learn how to create and improve scorecards tools, discover best practices, and share experiences. So it's really a tool that make all countries to share the experience and then also to learn how to improve and then achieve their health outcome. Next. So in terms of all the content material that is being on the ALMA Scorecards Hub, as you have seen in the video and also as well presented by our Executive Secretary, Joy Pumapi. So you are having materials that are created by countries and that are also used by country. So you have a public directory of scorecards that are shared by countries. In the next slide, you will see how many countries have already shared the scorecard. You also having country best practices, helping how country can use scorecard and then also how they can learn. And then you also have guides and toolkits. And on top of that, there are also online courses that are used to help countries to decentralize their scorecard as well as to strengthen their scorecard. And we are also using this platform to organize events and webinars that are really also giving an opportunity of country to share the experience using the scorecard. And then finally, we are also using that platform to give technical support. Next. So here we are discussing on the importance of the scorecard, sharing the scorecard on the Scorecard Hub. And this is really a platform, a forum that enables countries to share the scorecard publicly. And then it enables, first of all, to increase the transparency and accountability, which is really the main focus of the scorecard management tool. Second, it's also highlighting, this is a great opportunity for countries to showcase their progress and then also to show how the country is also improving health outcome and particularly in terms of the response in malaria as well as improving maternal and child health and nutrition. It's also inform and empower citizens and community to act and identify potential solutions to challenges. Next. So since the launch of the ALMA Scorecard Hub, as well said by our Executive Secretary, by His Excellency the President Kenyatta Uhuru, on the 10th of April, We have already so far 100 scorecards that are being shared. And then this is from 6 countries. You are seeing the flag, and we are really thankful to the champion countries and pioneers that have accepted to share their scorecards so that other countries can learn. We have also best practices for many countries, for 12 countries. And then so far we have organized 2 webinars, one in English and one in French, where we had Ghana and Zambia showing their best practices, as well as especially Zambia on community health. And then a webinar in French where the government of Rwanda has also showed the best practices in improving the reproductive health using the scorecard. And so far we are having already 150 people that have attended the online training and workshop. Thank you.
Thank you, Corinne. The ALMA Scorecard Hub website is the place to learn how to create and improve scorecards, discover best practices, and share your own experiences with scorecards. You can access the website at scorecardhub.org. The site is great if you have scorecards in your country, if you want to learn about creating scorecards, or if you want to look at the latest data in your country. To help achieve this, the Scorecard Hub is broken up into several parts. Today, I'm going to focus on 4 areas: country scorecards, country best practices, guides and toolkits, and online courses. Let's first start with country scorecards. Now, this is a public directory of country scorecards that have been shared directly by African countries. The site includes scorecards about community health, malaria, nutrition, RMN CAH, and vaccination programs. So let's take a look at an actual scorecard. I'm going to filter for Kenya, just for RMN CAH scorecard tools, and from the past year. Doing this narrows the search to exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to click on Kenya's Q4 scorecard. And on this page, you're presented with a big view of the scorecard. Now, the majority of scorecards on the Hub are interactive, so you can drill down and analyze from country to region to district, all the way down to health facility level. You can also download the scorecard if you want to print it or have it for offline reading. Underneath our scorecards, we provide relevant links to related content to help you learn more about that specific scorecard. The best practices highlight and celebrate the great progress made by countries. Let's click on the Kenya RMN CAH scorecard tool summary. For many of the different scorecards, we provide a summary highlighting how it works in a specific country, such as Kenya, and the impact the scorecard tool has had. All of our best practices are available in English and in French, and like the scorecards, you can also download our best practices as a PDF. Along with these summaries, we also offer more longer form best practices that go into more detail about specific topics. For example, about how 2 counties in Kenya have used the scorecard to improve indicators and mobilize resources. The Hub also hosts video documentaries too. And just like our scorecard directory, you can filter best practices by topic and country to find exactly what you're looking for. Next up is guides and toolkits. Now, these guides and toolkits provide step-by-step guidance on how to create scorecards, choose indicators, analyze scorecards, identify bottlenecks, use the scorecard for advocacy, and how to decentralize scorecards so they can be used at the subnational level or the community level. We also have content on how to use the scorecard web platform too. Let's look at guides for community scorecards tools, and then let's learn about how to create a new community scorecard. Now, all these guides are based on our years of experience of supporting countries with scorecard tools. We aim to add more content in the future, and if you have any suggestions, please let us know. And finally, let's look at online courses. Now, our online courses provide a structured way of learning about scorecard management tools. They're designed to help decentralize scorecards throughout countries. You can also download all of our course content to be able to access them offline. We currently have 4 courses covering creating a scorecard, strengthening an existing one, and 2 courses on the Scorecard web platform, and we have many more courses in the pipeline. If you click on a course, such as Strengthen an Existing Scorecard, you can learn more about the course and what you will learn and the course content. Let's click on the Analyze a Scorecard to identify underperforming indicators. Each lesson is made up of a video, related documents, and a quiz. If you pass all of the quizzes in a course, you will get a certificate. So they are some of the main features of the ALMA Scorecard Hub. We encourage you to visit, learn about how other countries are using scorecard management tools, and take one of our online courses. Please visit us at scorecardhub.org.